be as careful as I can, but occasionally I do put a cut on that sheet. If I do, don't let it bother you. You've all cut your fingers sometime or other. You didn't die. The sheep's not going to either. It'll heal very quickly. When I get her shorn, if you have a question or two, I will try to answer them if I can. If I can, she loves sheep questions. All right, I'll tell you what. These sheep are big sheep. You don't find them too much bigger than this. They're about all that I can do to handle them. So we'll do the best we can.
What happened to the dog we saw in the video? Remember that video we watched and it was the dog that was in it? What happened to that?
The sheep don't want to. Guys, keep your voices down.
Oh, we don't want to bother the sheep. We want to see
Let's
it.
just be quiet.
Silence, please.
Thank you. Quiet.
Now just let her stand up. Just let her stand up. Now push her away.
Sheep tipping. Oh.
Please.
Okay. We'll start on the belly wool. Take the belly wool off first, and I'll crotch her out. Shear this way, the underside of the neck, turning the sheep a little as I go. Once you get the belly wool off, the rest of it should come off in one piece, just like a wool blanket. However, if I come to your farm, I'll just smile when I see this sheep, because she doesn't have any belly wool. So you got a free spot. That's just like a bald-headed man going to a barber shop. Okay? All right.
I'm sorry.
sheep anyway? No. Huh? You said yes. All of them. Stand up and tell me why. Huh? Does it hurt you to cut your hair? Huh? Does it hurt when you cut your hair? Now tell me something. If I come out there and get you by your arm, and you're sitting there and I twist around your back and twist your wrist, you going to keep sitting there? Why not? Okay, I moved your sheep around. Did she move? No, she sat right there. No? Okay. No. But I tell you what, this is not a sheep for a beginner. She's pushing on me right now. If I move 1 foot, she'll be standing on all 4. Okay? You see, a sheep was put here for man's use each. That's meat and fiber. There's our fiber. It's best for the health of the shorn at least once a year. It will not shed that wool. It just gets longer and longer. We need a shepherd, someone to look at them because of internal, external parasites along with predators. He's home, sheep. Did I get it off in one piece like a blanket? Yeah. Well, I hope so. This is a light fleece. It's not a very good fleece. It's very short. Okay? All right. Any questions? Yes, sir. I didn't take any hair off of her. The wool will grow back in 1 year. This is 1 year. Okay? You eat. No, you eat the meat. You wear this on their back.
Different type.
No, this is fiber you make in there. We need new fiber. You can shear anytime, whatever you, it's a management deal, whatever suits your farming operation. Most